I know you love your blast from the past. We are at Quickgrind in Tewkesbury. They have a fantastic machine shop. Over here we've got some Anchor RX7 grinders. In the other machine shop they've got the MX7 linear as an example of state-of-the-art machines. They've got some Roller-matic grinders over there which are machining their blanks, because this is a fantastic machine shop. Well, machine shop, they're manufacturing tooling, but as you know, we like a bit of blast from the past. But if you need your nuts tight, look at this. Now that is one hell of a monkey wrench. Anyway, that will do you some damage if you're not careful. Made it look like though. Anyway, here you go. These are cutting the blanks off. This one's only about 2 years. This is about 15 years, but that's not all the blast from the past. We've got here a Colchester Triumph 2000. There you go. Now I'll have a quick spin on the old axes here, get that moving backwards and forwards, not too much. Whoa, because I inevitably break these. But that's, yep, Triumph 2000. Now down here, come on, Gina's first time on the camera. Let's hope she's doing me justice. Down here, you have got your Jones and Shipman Grinder. You've got an old Bridgeport Mill there. But when you're thinking Wickman, I know you're thinking multi-spindle lathe, you're thinking possibly EDM after you've seen them at High Tech in Coventry. We did a blast pass there, but this is not. This is, come on, this is a Wickman Scrivener No1, and it is a grinding machine. So, what's it going to be doing? Well, I'll get a blank, and that's not a stair. No, that's a pen. I've got a blank here somewhere. There you go. One blank. Now, I'm going to check it for diameter. It should be 8mm. So here's one I prepared earlier. So Gina, it's upside down, I'm afraid, but look at that, 8.37. That's telling me. So I need to get that to 8mm. And they're still using this machine because I've got some jobs ready to go. I'll pop that blank in there, close it off, and get it grinding. But a bit of action here. So first of all, that's what moves. So if you can see that moving there, this is moving in. So there you go, just like that. Not much of an action shot, but you're moving this big lever to close it up. So that will grind that blank from 8.37, if I remember right, down to 8mm. So still in use. Great blast and pass. That's your Wickmans, Bridgeports, your Colchesters. That's a Quickgrind in Tewkesbury.